Everyone wants the top stocks for 2026, but the real edge isn't a magic list. It's a watch list built for the next cycle without hype. This is educational, not financial advice. These are US-listed tickers to research, not blind buys. For 2026, I'm building this list around 3 buckets: AI infrastructure, durable compounders, and defensive cash flow. AI plus cash flow scale. Cloud infrastructure plus retail scale, the chip supply chain behind AI, compute. Boring government software that compounds. Industrial cash flows tied to aircraft cycles. Defense exposure with long cycle demand. Logistics as a real economy backbone. Recurring services. Quiet compounding. Defensive cash flow profile in healthcare. Consumer brands with resilient demand patterns. Use this list as a research cue, not a portfolio. For each stock, ask 3 questions. What's the 2026 tailwind? What breaks the story? Is the valuation already pricing perfection? That's the 2026 US stock watch list. AI infrastructure, durable compounders, and defensive cash flow. If you want a deep dive on any ticker, subscribe and comment one ticker you want next. I'll cover the most requested.